Hi everybody, if you're new to our channel, my name is Tamara Hergert and I am a professional artist and the leader of the Empowered Artist community. Here on this channel you can get the most up-to-date art business tips, step-by-step tutorials, masterclasses, insightful case studies, and interviews. Take advantage of our free resources and masterclasses and sign up for our paid masterclasses that are designed specifically to help you achieve results not possible on your own. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned artist, our channel is here to help you grow your art business knowledge so you can bring your vision of success to life. So subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching and bye for now.